Healing Hearts, Inspiring Stories. Narayana Hospital hosts uplifting pediatric cardiac event in Ahmedabad. Narayana Hospital, Ahmedabad organized an emotional and inspiring event titled Dilo Ki Kahani, Bachon Ki Zubani at the Ahmedabad Management Association. Attended by civic leaders, medical experts, and families, the event highlighted success stories of children who underwent life saving heart surgeries. With heartfelt testimonials, engaging activities for kids, and a call for greater community healthcare support. The event celebrated resilience, hope, and the power of compassionate cardiac care. Report Bilkul Online.
Atul Maslekar. I'm a heart surgeon working at Narayana Hospital since its inception in 2012. I carry about 29-30 years of experience trained in India and abroad. I do both adult as well as pediatric. But pediatric is my passion because you have seen today how these kids are. So routinely my day consists of few adult surgeries and 1 or 2 pediatric surgeries. In pediatric surgeries, congenital heart defect is quite a big subject where we have tiny tot kids. Some of them we need to operate in emergencies. Some kids have one operation followed by second operation after a few months or a year, and couple of them have 3-4 surgeries. Most of the kids need one surgery, and if that surgery is done well, they do have a normal life thereafter. That concept I need to put it to the public that parents are worried what kind of operation, how will my child grow. Yes, there will be a scar because scarless surgery still hasn't come. There are Dr. Divesh, my cardiologist colleague, does devices which is through the veins and arteries we puncture and do it. But not every possible defect can be treated. So it is a shared between a pediatric cardiologist and a pediatric surgeon. And I'm happy to share that we have got an excellent team and we have been doing this for quite some time and we are able to give the results.
What is the scenario in Gujarat like?
See, Gujarat scenario is same as anywhere in India. Like I mentioned, 9 out of 1,000 births anywhere in the world have got congenital heart defect. We are fortunate in India that we have this school health program which is run by government of Gujarat and of course Ayushman Bharat and RBSK. So school health program, most of the kids they go to the government institution like UNMET and other hospitals where they are picked up in the preschool era. And that's the ideal time actually to get operated. Because if the kid needs an heart surgery and done at a right time with a younger age, they do well thereafter. Some kids, they want to come to a private sector like we are in the private sector. So either they are in cash or now with the Pradhan Mantri Yojana and other schemes and fundings and trusts and other things who are helpful. So we are able to help them out. Majority work still goes to government factories, but there are private hospitals because for doing a pediatric surgery you need a specialized training. Not every heart surgeon does it. It's by choice. There's no force. Some people like it, some don't. I love it. That's why I'm doing it.
And today's event was?
Today's event was just a showcasting these kids. What we wanted, long time we have been in our mind that we wanted to showcase these kids, show them to public that, and through you to the mass that kids do well and they lead a normal life. We don't want here, you may call it an advertisement, but no, that was not the whole purpose of it. Purpose was through your media, we want people at periphery also to understand that when kids undergo surgery at early time, they are going to lead a normal life and they are going to have a future.
Sort of awareness drive.
Awareness, I would suggest that if people know that the child is having a problem, what is the problem? They have recurrent infection, lung infection, khansi hai, sardi hai, bar ho raha hai, weight gain is not there, and they go to a pediatrician who tells them they should heed to them, they should listen. People are scared. People are scared because in spite of heart surgery becoming very common, the fear is still there. It's easy for me to talk because I operated. But if it happens to me and my family, I'll also think twice. But options are there today, not necessary that everyone needs operation. So I want media to pass on the message to the public that they should heed to the doctor, listen to the doctor. If the doctor tells them that's the right time, they have to have faith in the organization, in the doctor, in the society, and get it done. And that's for the interest of the child.
Thank you.
I am a pediatric cardiologist. Today we had organized this event especially for the survivors of congenital heart disease. Last year we had operated more than 100 kids with congenital heart disease. So to give them some encouragement and to show the world that this kind of diseases are curable in the kids after cure of their disease, they can live a healthy and normal life. For that we have organized this function.
And how many patients were here? Little children?
We
How
had
many?
operated more than 100 kids last year. Today we have gathered around 40 kids who agreed to come here.
What is the scene in Gujarat like? Why this ailment? Is it on rise or is it is normal?
In every 1,000 kids who are born, 8 to 10 kids will be having congenital heart problems. Out of them, some will be mild heart problems, some will be severe heart problems. So those severe heart problems which can disturb the life of the kids, they have to be operated. Mild kind of heart disease, they can be followed up, and once we have followed up for enough period of time and we don't see any future afterwards, then those kids also will be operated. In Gujarat and in other parts of India, the scenario is same. The main problem is diagnosis of this heart disease. Many a times it happens that this heart disease go undiagnosed. Pediatricians keep on treating these patients. They also don't know that the patient is having heart disease, and sometimes someday some pediatricians will come to know, okay, let's get them checked up for heart, and after that the disease will be diagnosed, and till that time many times it is very late.
It is already late.
Yeah. So some countries are following a protocol of getting each and every kid checked up for heart disease. Because of our population in our country, we can't follow that protocol. So what we do is pediatricians check the kids, and if they find any abnormality in child's behavior,
What is the age do you suggest for that?
some heart disease, as I told, there are severe variety of heart disease, so they need to be treated within first few months of life. Some heart disease which don't create that much trouble in child's life, or they are not life-threatening, they can be treated by school-going age. When the child reaches 3 or 4 years of age, then they are to be treated. And some diseases, they are very mild. If they remain open for entire lifetime also, then also they won't cause any trouble. So we don't treat those kind of heart disease. Each and every heart disease has not to be treated. No.
How about the cost, operation costs? And
Cost is too much.
Too much.
Cost is too much. In average heart disease treatment, it would cost around 2.5 to 4 lakh rupees. In intervention, what we call this device closures or balloon procedures, that would cost around 1 lakh to 2.5 lakh rupees. So we want some social foundation, some corporate social responsibility, some trust to chip in and help these patients, because this kind of heart disease happen in 90% of the times in the lower socio-economical class. So when they have to think about what they will they eat in their dinner, they can't afford this much money. So for that thing, we have corporate social foundations in Narayana Hospital. They chip in and they provide all the treatment free of charge. So almost 90% of the patients which we operated last year, they avail these services free of charge. They don't have to pay a single charge. They just have to reach the hospital, and after that hospital will take care of everything.
Okay, thank you.
मेरे पास